Hello, my name is Eva. I'm from Turku University, and today we would like to speak about some practical examples in sustainability. And today we invite Marika. Marika is from International Cosmetology College. And I have a question. Why do you think it's important today think about the sustainability goals?
Well, thank you very much for inviting me here. Sustainability is really not a trend anymore. It's really a need to, for everybody, for every organization. I know word sustainability sounds very complicated. It's like something, as we are joking, something from the Mars. No, actually, it's not so scary as it looks. It looks like. Mm-hmm. And nowadays sustainability helps to every single organization, including us. So as Eva already told, I am representing College of Cosmetology, and we found few things which we can kind of change our environment, mm-hmm. and hopefully we can also change our planet.
So, how you implement sustainability in your everyday life in your college?
Wow, beginning was very difficult. It was really complicated, and to be honest, we didn't know how to start. So what we did, we took sustainability goals, and we decided, as our organization, decided to pick up 5 sustainable goals out of 17. Mm-hmm. And one of those goals were responsible consumption. And this is what we did from A till Z. Mm-hmm. I believe that, of course, we can do 100 different projects and 100 different things, but we took one thing which is really important for every single educational institute, mm-hmm. or organization.
Yep.
And this is paper. Oh. As we know, universities has huge amount of paper daily. Not only universities, also colleges. Mm-hmm. And for example, teachers are using a lot of paper for
handouts.
Yeah. Exactly. Tests, exams, and daily, daily tasks. Mm-hmm. And we started to count how much paper we are using in such a small organization like in College of Cosmetology. And we understood this is something we can work on it. So what we did, step by step. First, we wrote down amount of paper we are consuming every month and every mm-hmm. year. Secondly, we informed our academical staff that we are going to write down how much paper they are requiring mm-hmm. to make a copy. And we just asked them to sign it, to confirm that they are asking me to make a copy of this test, for example, 400 pieces per evening. You know what? In 3 months, the amount of paper decreased by 30%. Mm-hmm. I believe they become shy. Mm-hmm. They found out that really but the amount of paper they're consuming is huge. Mm-hmm. So I would say within 1 year, amount decreased by 50%. Yeah. And then we understood that's the right way how to do it. Mm-hmm. So we become environmentally friendly. We started to use different digital solutions. Mm-hmm. And since that moment, I could already say that in 3 years we already decreased paper by 80%. Yeah, and that's,
result.
I always say, if we just pick up one thing and do it from A till Z, and then we will save our organizational resources and also save our planet.
So then the consumption of the paper, that's the one big benefit in your case, but maybe there is something more, some another benefit that you get in the result when you implement those goals or try to implement this in your everyday life.
Yes, organizations are afraid from sustainability issues because they are thinking that if you start to implement different things, it's going to be very expensive, but the reality is opposite. So first of all, we cutted all expenses of the paper. That's, we physically can count it. Secondly, our staff become very, I would say, proud and happy.
Yeah.
And that's I think something you cannot, yeah, it's a huge value. And third, what is also important, they understood that we are not just good on the paper, talking about environment, talking about sustainability, but we are physically doing something. And yeah, and this just a good start. They are sharing the information and telling everybody, to each student, to each teacher, maybe you can sign papers digitally. So this is like changing daily atmosphere, and everybody is more happy. Me too.
So thank you, Marika.
You're welcome.